my beautiful friends, it's Julia here again from Made by the Chef, the recipe for life, and I have got a beauty for you. Happy Easter! It's Easter Sunday. I know there's a lot of people out there celebrating this lovely day, and so I'm going to cook you lamb. Now this is part one of my video. Watch out for part two later because this is slow cooked lamb. Let me show you how amazing that is. Look at that. That is just fantastic. Now what I've done is I'm going to be cooking my lamb true Cypriot style called Keftiko. Now Keftiko normally was lamb leg, lamb shanks that they'd wrap in lots of paper and foil. They'd have lots of ingredients in there, and then what they do is they put that to slow cook for about 5-6 hours, even up to 8 hours in a wood fired stone oven. So this was in those Cypriot village restaurants. Just amazing. So now I'm going to recreate that here. It's going in my oven, and what I've got in here, I've put a bit of olive oil, I've got onion, I've got potatoes, tomatoes, bay leaf, thyme, garlic, bit of ground cinnamon, cinnamon sticks, peppercorns, bit of salt, and that's it. Done. I've got it all in there. I've put all the ingredients in. Now I'm just going to wrap that up. I'm going to wrap that up in the paper, get that all covered, wrap the foil then around it, and you know that's just going to almost like steam cook in there as much as anything else. When this lamb comes out, I can guarantee you it is going to be falling off the bone. You won't even need to carve it. So wait for part two, check back later, try this at home, 5 hours, 6 hours, 160 degrees centigrade. Fantastic.